Hi everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to unlink Bitmoji from Snapchat. So when you open your Snapchat and go to your profile, this is your Bitmoji. And if you want to get rid of this, I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you just have to click this gear icon at the top right corner or your settings. Now you have to scroll down and then as you can see under notifications, what you're going to do is to click this Bitmoji right here. Tap this one. And then once you tap this, then it will take you directly to this page where you can change your outfit, edit your Bitmoji, choose a selfie, or unlink your Bitmoji. So remove Bitmoji, then all you have to do is to tap remove. So as you can see, it's now unlinking and you have or you get rid already with your Bitmoji and you can now create a new avatar. So in case that you can't see this option or this one doesn't work, then you can go to support and then tap this help center right here. And then you have to look for Bitmoji or unlink Bitmoji or remove Bitmoji. So you can go to the search bar and then type that keyword. And what you're going to do next is you just have to follow the instruction how to remove Bitmoji here on Snapchat or how to unlink Bitmoji. So tap this one right here and follow the instruction. And that's it. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.